Hello children, welcome to Rainbow Art. So today we are going to make a flag. Okay, I will show you step by step. Okay children, so take out your drawing copy. First we will make the drawing and then we will start the coloring. Okay, step by step we are going to do. Are you ready children? Yes, so take out your drawing copy and pencil eraser. Okay, so let's start. I will show the drawing in my board, then I will show the coloring in my drawing copy. Okay, step by step we are going to learn. Ready? Okay, let's start children. Hello children, so we are going to start the flag. Okay, first what we will do, first we will make a standing line here. Okay, first you need to draw a standing line here. Okay, step by step we are going to do. So now you can start with me. So make a standing line. Okay children, I am waiting for you. Okay, so then one more standing line we will draw here, slowly without scale children. Okay, without scale try to make the standing line. Okay, two standing line I have made. Okay, done children. You are going to do slowly. Okay, so here now we will join these two lines. Done. Yes, good, very good. So one circle, small circle we are going to add here, small circle. Done. So now here we will draw a slipping line, a small slipping line we are going to draw. Okay, and then two standing line here. See children, two standing line, and then again a slipping line here. Step by step I am going to do. Okay children, then again two standing line, like this. First this slipping line, then two standing line, small standing line. Step by step you need to do. Okay, and do not make that, try to do slowly. Okay, so now we will make the flag. This flag we are going to make very easy. Okay, very easy. So here again we will draw a slipping line like this. We will draw a slipping line here. So first you need to draw this line. Okay, then one more line, slipping line here. Okay, then one more line, then one more line, means four slipping line you need to draw. Okay, it's very easy. Four slipping line you need to draw, and then we will join these four lines like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4, four slipping line I have made, and then one standing line. Done children? Yes, so like this step by step you are going to do. Okay, now here we are going to make a circle. It's very easy. Here we are going to make a circle. Okay, done. Yes, so now in the middle we will draw a simple dot. Okay, in the middle, and then we will draw some lines. Okay, you no need to count the lines now. Okay, so like this we are going to draw the lines. So our flag is ready. Okay children? Yes, so I will show you one more flag. Okay, one more flag. This one is little bit hard. Okay, so again we will draw a standing line. Okay, then one more standing line here, two standing line. Okay, then again here this small slipping line, and then a circle. Okay, done. Then the bottom portion we will draw here a slipping line. Okay, and then two standing line, again this slipping line, again a slipping line. So step by step you need to do. Now what we will do, now from here we will draw a curved line. See, from here we are going to draw a curved line, and then here like this we will draw this curved line. Done. Yes, so now here we will draw one curved line, this one 2 3 4. Okay, and then here again we will draw a circle, and then here we will make the dots, and then here we will make the lines. So here you can count the lines. 24 lines will be here. Okay, so two type of flag we have made. Okay, this is very simple, you can do easily, and this is little bit hard. Okay, so now we will start the coloring. I will show you the coloring. Okay children, so let's start the coloring. So let's start the coloring children. I'm going to use plastic crayons. Okay children, now what color children? First we are going to use the orange color. Okay, so from one side, okay, from one side we are going to use the orange color. Color should not go out of the border. Okay, from here we are going to start the orange color slowly from one side. See children, slowly from one side. So like next we are going to use the green color. Okay, here we are going to use the green color. Same technique we are going to use here. From one side, slowly. See. From one side, slowly. Done. Okay, so next we are going to use the dark blue color. For this wheel we are going to use the blue color. The blue color for the lines. Here we are not doing 24 lines. Okay, now we will use the violet color or brown color for the stick. Okay, here we are going to use the brown color slowly from one side like this. Brown color. Okay, brown color done. Next we will use the violet color lightly. Okay, here we are going to use the violet color. So first this line we are going to use the violet color, these lines. And then inside portion slowly. Violet color we have done. Okay, so next here we will use golden color. This one we will use golden color. Okay, so our this flag is ready, and this one you will color yourself. This is a homework for you. Okay, same color you know already. Okay, same color you have to use, but this thread you are going to use dark blue. Okay children, same color you are going to do, and this is for homework, this drawing. Okay, so children, bye bye.